and welcome back to another video. It's so nice to see you all people. Me cold bad. Winter is not even here yet. It's almost here, but I'm freezing, like freezing. It's now, the last time I looked, which was about a couple minutes ago, it was 3 degrees. So I know it's maybe about 1 or so now. So yeah, I am freezing. My tropical body cannot, my tropical blood cannot, but we're making it happen, right? Because the heat is on. All right, so iHERB, you may or may not know of iHERB, this company. If you are a Jamaican living in Japan or anywhere in around the eastern side of the world, very good place to shop for some of your essentials. I've used them before, and also I try to use them to get like toothpaste and that kind of thing. So I'm going to do an unboxing and we're going to see what I have, right? All right, so let's get into it. Not going to be a long video. So you are going to see what I got from iHERB, and then I'll tell you how much they cost. Yeah, can't open a box. Wow. All right, so let's get into it. Quick and easy. All right, so first things first, green tea, kombucha green tea. Seeing the rave about kombucha, but I like tea and I like green tea, so I decided to just try this. And they say it supplies antioxidants to support overall health, right? So it should be good for your body. So organic green tea leaf, lemongrass, spearmint leaf, dried kombucha. Oh, and kombucha is from fermented black tea. Okay, and I drink black tea. All right, so I should be good. All right, so first things first, green tea, kombucha. Next, essential. Definitely have to buy toothpaste off of there. You can get it on Amazon Japan too, but I saw it for a few hundreds less, or 1,000 yen or something less than what it's on for the same tube on Amazon Japan. So I decided to get it on iHERB because why not? All right, next, leave-in conditioner, curl repair leave-in. You know, natural hair girls, we definitely cannot do without this. And I've been, yeah, I ran out a few weeks ago, so I needed to get that. Dry itchy skin, yeah, I have that, and especially now that it's winter, golly gee, yeah, it's a sight. But most definitely I use oil, skin oil. I have not used lotion in years, so all I've been using on my skin for all these years have been butter, shea butter, any type of body butter, baby oil. During winter I use, what's it called, baby oil gel, Johnson. So I decided to try this one. I've used this before, but I didn't buy it, so I decided to buy this. And I said, yeah, I have dry itchy skin. As I get out of the shower, I have to moisturize my skin, or else I'll be itching for the entire time. You'd think that I did not just shower. So yeah, definitely got this. Yeah, the haul's soon finished. It's not a long haul. If you know me, I'm a Blistex girl. I can't get them over here in Japan. On Amazon Japan, they're there, but yeah, pricey, a little bit pricey. So I saw this on iHERB, and this is the 3-pack one. Most definitely had to get. Of course, I can't do without it. I cannot go a day without using lip balm, or else, I don't know, I'll perish. Right here on my bed, right here, 2 of these, well known in Japan, I have near my bed. So yeah, that. So yeah, and these are the, of course you saw, medicated lip balm. Most definitely I have to use. And then I decided to get some Carmex lip balm too. These have SPF 50 so you know, sunscreen, and it's water resistant. Yeah, so yeah, that's my haul. This and this and this and this is essential, and the kombucha tea. I would suggest anyone that's in Japan or in this region, because I did not know that they ship from South Korea. So if you are in the Eastern region and you need stuff from the Western world stuff, yeah, you definitely can find them several things on iHERB. I strongly recommend it. Please go over to iHERB. Look at I'm plugging iHERB. Is this a sponsored video? No, but yeah, definitely go over to iHERB and shop these and other things that you'll need. Other essentials are there. You can get deodorant, you can get other supplements are on there. You can get conditioner, shampoo for your hair. You can get other skin things, facials, so many things on iHERB. I beat my bad, but yeah, most definitely you can go over there and check them out. I strongly recommend. So that's it for my little haul. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and you can leave a comment telling me anything about iHERB or any other websites that you know that would be useful for people in the Western world. In the Eastern world, we're living over on this side, right? That we would definitely want to get from the Western world. So yeah, that's it for this video, my iHERB haul. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Leave a comment, please like the video, thank you so much, and share it to somebody. Show them a friend or somebody you know that would definitely benefit from these things and more from iHERB. Thank you, bye.